Floor tiles are an excellent long-term flooring choice for your home. They are low-maintenance, stylish options for your kitchen, bathroom, and living spaces. With Amber's wide range of ceramic, porcelain, and natural stone tiles, finding the perfect tile for your space has never been easier. The distinct characteristics of our floor tiles perfectly embody traditional and modern designs. So whatever your style, we have the tile for you. Our traditional tiles feature harmonious, earthy shades, symmetrical designs, and repeating patterns to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Our modern tiles embrace asymmetry and cooler shades with simpler patterns or focal point mosaics for a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic. For expanse without the expense, large format tiles are ideal. Our semi-honed or polished porcelain tiles fit the bill and are durable and easy to maintain. Porcelain tiles are also the ultimate low-maintenance tile solution for wet areas. Available in polished and matte finishes, they are perfect for turning your bathroom from a functional space into an elegant retreat. Are you considering ceramic tiles? Our popular ceramic tiles are available in various shapes, textures, and patterns in both glazed and unglazed options. At Amber, we believe that the key to designing the perfect tiles is in the detail. That's why we source our tiles from the world's leading manufacturers. Our tiles are sourced from leading international manufacturers in Italy, Spain, Turkey, and Egypt. These manufacturers have a proven track record of creating high-quality, stunningly designed tiles that will transform your home. No matter the look you're after for indoor and outdoor floor tiles for over 50 years, Amber has the answer. Visit an Amber showroom near you to find the perfect floor tiles for your home.